Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Elite trainers in Obsidian and Deep Royal Blue colorway. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this pair is in US size 10 or UK size 9. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping over the box lid to reveal the Nike Elite trainers in Obsidian and Deep Royal Blue colorway. And now let's go ahead and remove the left side. And let's set the box a bit further back so it doesn't become too distracting in the foreground. And now just taking a look around the left side. So these are the Nike Elite trainers, and unfortunately they were recently discontinued, and when I mean recently, that was about a year or two ago, if my memory serves me correctly. So this pair I've had lying around in storage for a while, and the nice thing about the Nike Elites is their famous Nike waffle sole, as you can see. Nothing too complicated, with a pretty simple symmetrical pattern with the square nodules, as you can see at this angle more clearly. And the nice thing about Nike Elite trainers is that they always come in a variety of colorways, so they're always being released in so many different styles and colors. So this one you can see is in Obsidian and Deep Royal Blue. So it does have at least two or triple tone blue, as you can see. And there's some black on the upper midsole. So it's such a shame because the Nike Elite trainers are my kind of go-to walking or casual shoes that I wear. And they just have this very kind of vintage design to them without being overly dramatic, very simply styled with that classic Nike logo. And on this pair you can see that it does have a coarser weave in this area, because what I've noticed throughout my years of owning Nike Elite trainers is sometimes, apart from the colorways of course, they do vary in terms of the weave or texture in this portion or section of the shoe or trainers or sneakers. Sometimes you do have a flatter or much finer weave, but in this case it is a rather coarse or thick weave right there, you can see. I'm just giving you some close-up details. And my one other experience from owning very many pairs of Nike Elite trainers over the years is that they're always consistently very, very slippery on wet and smooth surfaces. So always walking very, very carefully on wet, smooth surfaces. Just going to show you the inner section if I can. Okay, so nice close-up detail of the Nike Elite trainers in Obsidian and deep royal blue colorway. You can see the nice blue styling. It's rather conservatively styled with a little bit of flair with that very bright blue Nike swoosh there. And the Obsidian or black is in the upper midsole, and of course the coarse weave sections of the trainers or sneakers. And just going to give you a close-up look at that waffle sole. You can see that square stud pattern. They are a very comfortable pair of trainers, but once again, they're also rather very treacherous in terms of not very grippy in the wet. Okay, now let's break out the right hand side as well. So you can have a good look at the both of them. And let me set the box to the side in that corner there. So you can have a nice good look at the pair of them. Obviously the left side in my right hand and the right side in my left hand, right there, facing forwards. So they are nice, very light, very breathable, and very comfy to wear. And let me shift that side to the corner right there. To give you close-up details. So as you can see, they are pretty simple, yet have that smart look to them, having a kind of sharp and tapered toe area. And of course, it's always nice to see that sandwiched midsole color there, giving the trainers a little bit of flair and style to it. So it's kind of unfortunate that Nike have discontinued the Nike Elite trainers. I really miss the multitude of colorways and uniqueness that comes very regularly in their releases. So there's always some interesting colors being released, and sometimes they do have partnerships with certain shoe stores that kind of make their colors pretty much limited. So once again, that waffle sole. And just showing you that tongue close up as well. Let me see if I can do a spin. 360 view of this side for you guys. So I'm gonna slowly rotate the left hand side around as best I can, and as smoothly as I can, of course. So that's the Nike Elite Trainers in Obsidian and Deep Royal Blue colorway. Thanks for watching and happy running!